If you're noticing that your dishwasher isn't cleaning as effectively as it used to, it might be time to give it a deep clean. One common and simple method is knowing how to clean dishwasher with detergent. This process can help remove buildup from food particles, soap scum, and grease, ultimately improving your dishwasher's performance and ensuring your dishes come out sparkling. Start by emptying the dishwasher completely. It's important to remove any dishes, racks, or utensils so you can focus on cleaning the machine itself. Next, check the filter at the bottom of the dishwasher. Food debris often collects here, which can lead to poor drainage and inefficiency. Take out the filter and rinse it thoroughly under warm water to remove any trapped food particles. Once the filter is clean, it's time to learn how to clean dishwasher with detergent. Use a dishwasher-safe container or cup and place it on the top rack of the dishwasher. Pour a cup of regular dishwasher detergent, powder, liquid or tablet into the container. This will help break down grease and remove soap scum from the interior of the machine. Run the dishwasher on its hottest cycle without any dishes inside to allow the detergent to clean the interior thoroughly. The high temperature will help dissolve any grime and buildup on the walls, spray arms and racks. While the cycle is running, take a moment to inspect the spray arms. These can sometimes become clogged with debris or mineral buildup. If you notice any blockages, use a toothpick or small brush to clear out the holes so water can flow freely. Once the cycle is complete, check the interior for any remaining residue or buildup. If necessary, you can repeat the cycle with a little more detergent. Now that you know how to clean dishwasher with detergent, you might wonder if there's anything else to do. It's a good idea to wipe down the interior of the dishwasher with a soft cloth to remove any remaining residue. Pay particular attention to the door edges, seals, and around the rubber gasket, as these areas can trap moisture and grime. If your dishwasher has a smelly odor, consider running another cycle with a cup of white vinegar on the top rack. This can help neutralize odors and keep your dishwasher smelling fresh. Additionally, cleaning your dishwasher regularly, every 1 to 2 months, with detergent can prevent buildup and keep your appliance running smoothly. By now, you should have a cleaner, fresher dishwasher. Remember, knowing how to clean dishwasher with detergent is an easy yet effective way to maintain your machine and ensure your dishes get the best clean every time. If you have any further issues or concerns, feel free to reach out for more professional advice. Taking a little time to maintain your dishwasher will keep it running efficiently for years to come.